So I got this cute little bow maker. It makes bows, Christmas bows like this. There's another one I made. So it's like almost like vintage one. I don't think they sell them anymore, but it says bow maker, and it comes with this pin holder and a whole bunch of these pins in a box, and you can put the pin right in there so it holds the pin like that. There's a box of these pins, and you put it flat on a surface. You take a whole kind of long ribbon and take the very end of it and stick it right onto the pin, poke it, and then go around 2 of these and do the same thing, and then around 2 of these and do the same thing, and then around 2 of these and do the same thing, 2 of these, and just keep going. And it goes until you make it fluffy. Then after I use the first 4, I don't really use these anymore. I just go like this. Yep, more ribbon. Just keep going around. The more times you go around, the fluffier it will be. It's kind of fun to make, relaxing, great for kids. Get your kiddos to make their own bows. That's always fun. Okay, and at some point you cut that off and it's ready to go. And then you just slide the pin right off of there. There you go. There's a little bow. I guess when I'm not looking through the camera, I can have a little bit better control and make a better bow. But that's not too horrible. So that's how you make a little bow with this little bow maker.